From the provider, Sir CSA Car Multimedia CarPlay 9-inch screen. As we open up the unit to show you how nicely they are packaged, you have an instruction guide to go over. For information provided in the guide, it is protected by foam, the 9-inch screen. Please open up and peel all protective film off the screen. Temporary to permanent mount. On one of the sides are the buttons, and on the opposite sides are the ports. The rear view camera to be hooked up and installed. Self-adhesive template. A windshield mount and connection. On top of the dash, a self-adhesive windshield mount adapter. The multimedia attachment with the self-adhesive. The USB-C 12-volt socket with an internal fuse. And a 3.5 TRS to TRS cable. License plate, windshield mount, screws, cable, run through the trunk, hook up to a power lead, and plug in to the unit. Enough cable from the rear to the front. Align up the cables, plug in, and power up. As the camera for the rear is hooked up, run your leads and tuck in with optional tools. And plug in your USB-C and 12-volt adapter to the outlet area and run the cable. Please remember to peel all film off, stick up the windshield mount, adjust an angle, and lock into place with a firm force. Loosen up to adjust the height needed. And lock down. We're using the rear view camera and the special DIN plug placed in, and the power lead placed into the rear on the bottom. We have an optional SDXC card slot located here. The unit will turn on, and we are going to hook up the unit by one of the three mounting points over here. We simply line up. Once tightened down and secured, we turn the vehicle on. The on button can be turned on, and the unit turns on to the playable area, CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, Superlink Media Player, audio output, the on and off, screen brightness, the rear camera that will need to be set up. We have audio and as we go over the screen in settings by hitting the setting button. Reminder tone, on and off. Simply hit what you want and it backs out. Camera direction. It has the regular way, 180 degree, mirror image. Since we are upside down and we are looking for the correct way, that is the one we choose. We have channel 1. We can exit. We have camera format. 720N, 720p, 1080p. Hit what you want, back out. Reverse settings. It gives you the line. Have a status, on and off, to confirm and cancel. You can drag the line to where you need to be positioned. Only on the top. You have a screensaver. Turn off 10 seconds, 30 seconds. Auto dimming. Night brightness, start time and end time when you want it available. Back out, hit the screen over here. Driving position. Left rudder, right rudder. Languages. If you scroll over, there is no other area to go. back out when done. Up CarPlay is hitting CarPlay. Follow the information to hook up. CarPlay, Bluetooth, how to set up. Settings, Bluetooth, T36B, connect. Pair, allow or don't allow. We are hooked up. The phone can be put away to the side. Everything that is on your smartphone is on the screen. You have all your applications. If you hit there, you're able to go home, audio, brightness, and camera. This is the maps. We are not allowed to show you addresses and navigation. In the map area, you can play music by hitting the music area or picking music. It'll load up your favorite station and play by hitting the icon and play.
Celebrate 4th of July savings happening now at the Home Depot. Select a...
To set back into the main screen, hit the smart screen and it'll go back into the screen. You can see your messages and music as we go over. If we go to our phone and we go weather.
The National Weather Service has issued a flood watch. It's currently...
There is a lot you can do with a smartphone and 9-inch multimedia player. So if you're looking to hook up a 9-inch screen to a existing car that does not have an original screen infotainment system, this may be something that you are looking for. These are just some of the demonstrations that the unit can do via the CarPlay, Apple, or Android. You're going on vacation and you want to take something with you that the car may not have. This is a portable machine. It unplugs, easy to set up and all. It has permanent mounts, temporary mounts onto the dash, suction cup with a magnetic adhesive. The multimedia station requires a smartphone for navigation, playing music, and more. It is a 9-inch screen. It fits into any existing car. On vacation where you need to have information provided. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for, with the spare and permanent mount onto your car. Enjoy your product. If this is something that you're looking for, with the camera, reverse, smartphone, navigation, and more. A multimedia 9-inch CarPlay system. Enjoy your product.